Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's a special request video. One of my subscribers and Instagram followers wanted me to eat some Peruvian food. And her name is Gigi, G-I-G-I, and she comments a lot. She's actually so she comments a lot on the live videos as well as Instagram. We've been chatting for the last, I don't know, maybe 3 months. And she's like, hey, you should try some Peruvian food. This is what she recommended. Probably gonna pronounce this wrong, but it's a Lomo Saltado something. So basically it's like beef, I think French fries, green onions, tomatoes, rice. So let me guys give you a close up of what this looks like. It's my first time trying this type of dish out. So that's what it looks like. And I could have got an egg with it. I think it would have been like $3 or $4 extra, but the egg looks like it was running in the pictures on Yelp, so I don't like running eggs. She also recommended an Inca Kola, and this costs $4. I never had an Inca Kola. I have no idea what it tastes like, so I'll let you know how it's different than a regular Coca-Cola. And this dish costs $23, kind of expensive, but I'm gonna try new things out, so I thought I would give this a try. So, you guys ready? All right, I'm really excited to try this Inca Kola. It's called the Golden Kola. Let's try it out, see how it tastes. Let's smell it first. Huh. Smells like vanilla or feels different. I don't know. It's different. It's like more sparkly. I like it. I know it's worth $4, but I do like it. All right, let's try it out. Let's try one of these French fries. I think that's green onion right there. That's good. It has some spice to it. I'm not sure what kind of spice, but it's not spicy though, but it's good spice. Try some rice. That's good with the sauce. There's the sauce in here. Okay. Let's try this steak right here. That's good. It's very well seasoned. Very well seasoned. There's kind of like a lot of sauce. A little bit of sauce right here. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe you can't. But there's some sauce in here. It kind of reminds me of a stir fry with the rice, the beef, not much vegetables, the tomatoes. I'm not really big on tomatoes though. But it does have French fries that are a little bit different. Yeah, it's good. So I'm gonna take these tomatoes off. I just don't like, I'm not really big on tomatoes, guys. Sorry if you guys are upset by that, but. So, I don't know if you're supposed to mix everything together. Are you? I'm not sure. Yes, you are. I'm gonna mix everything together. The rice is really good. It's really good. Perfect cooked, the rice. Another tomato. Take the tomato out. It's very good. Very good. Very good. I think it has like regular red onion and green onion. So I was reading the reviews and someone said there was too much onion. I don't think there's too much onion. I love onion on my dishes. But I'm not really sure if it's worth 23 bucks. It's good though. It's really good. But it kind of reminds me of Thai food in a way, because Thai food is different than Chinese food. So it has that Thai taste a little bit to it, a little bit. But it's really good. I'm kind of trying this something new on my channel. I think I've done a couple of Peruvian videos. I'm not sure. This is very good too. I do think this meal was kind of expensive, so let me know, guys, if you ever had Peruvian food. Is it really expensive? $23 for this, $4 for the Kola Coke. It's not, it won't be an everyday thing, obviously. But this subscriber, we've been chatting a lot lately on Instagram, and I want to do a special video for her because she did request this. So I was either going to do this video tonight or Nations. Kind of wanted to show you guys what we have in the Bay Area. A Nations is a burger joint, like a diner, kind of like a diner fast food place where they specialize in burgers and pies. So I was just going to get like a burger, and if they had the banana pie at Nations, I was going to get the banana pie because some people at my work said the banana pie at Nations is really good. But I was kind of craving something a little more healthier, so I got this dish instead, guys. I think it might be better to have some other vegetables in here as well, like zucchini or carrots, or just something to add some more, you know, vegetables. But I like the onion. It's good. And I would definitely recommend this dish if you want to try Peruvian food. It's really good. It's really flavorful. But I don't really have a lot to say in this video. I don't have any topics to talk about, guys. Wish I did. I don't. Don't forget about Christmas. Christmas is coming up, guys. What are you guys doing for Christmas? Have you started your shopping? I haven't started any of my shopping yet. I need to get that. It's already December, guys. That's crazy. Believe it or not, I'm kind of almost getting full. I think it's because the potatoes in here. Potatoes make it really filling. Yeah, so it's starting to get really busy in my cashier job because of Christmas, and people are just buying, you know, groceries for Christmas stuff and, you know, Christmas stuff. If you go to a restaurant, it's probably like a full class meal. Because this did cost me $23. So it's probably like one of those, you know, you get a lot for your money. It's really long. Well, I'm excited to have Christmas off on my cashier job, guys. I think that's going to be great. Because I don't usually have, well, because I work the Thanksgiving, so that would be nice to have actually have Christmas off. Yeah, sometimes I just think that I should get a new job because it's like they make room for Thanksgiving, and I know some jobs like grocery stores are open Thanksgiving, and I work at one of the few grocery stores that are open Thanksgiving, which sucks. But the problem is I just really love the employees there, and we get along really well. You know, I got a couple of texts. I text a lot of employees from this job. I don't know, we just have a really good time, so that's a problem. And management isn't really that bad. They're pretty nice. I haven't had any bad managers here at this job, so. All right, I think I'm full. I don't need more. With the steak and the potatoes and the rice, it's really filling. It's a carby dish, but if you can see that's how much I have left over, I guess I'll save the rest for maybe my lunch tomorrow. If you try Peruvian food, try the Inca Kola. It's pretty good. Just $4. It kind of reminds me of like a vanilla flavor, and it feels like it has like a more carbonated taste to it. But it's pretty good. I really like it. All right, Gigi, thank you for recommending this dish. I really enjoyed it. It was really good. Hope you enjoyed this video as well. And guys, see you in the next video. Peace.